What's going on, everybody? It's been a long time since I've done a video, so I figured we'd do a pop-up kit on my son's Christmas present. Keep getting them bushes, dude. Good job. All right, so we're gonna switch the 6-volt battery out for the 12-volt battery that we have right here. And then we're gonna take the bicycle tire tread off of there, and we're gonna use some self-tapping screws to put it on there. All right, this is a simple project, but I figured it'd be a good couple-minute video. Here we go.
The number you have dialed has been changed. The new number is... Please note, the new number is...
I wanna be free, I wanna just live inside my Cadillac, that is my shit. Now throw it up, that's what it is. In my C-A-D-I-L-L-A-C, bitch.
Here's the battery removed. All right, so this one is 6 volts, 4.5 amp hours, tamper-proof battery. So this top just comes off. So what you see in here is you have your don't move it, buddy. You have your positive, and you have your negative, and then you have a fuse right there. So all we're gonna do is remove these guys right there, and we're gonna slip them on the new battery that we got. Here's our new battery that we're gonna go ahead and put on. It's a 12 volt, 7 amp battery. You can see about the size difference, but there's actually a place for us to put that in there, so we're fine. So with this guy, remember that this one right here was a positive, that one here was a negative, positive, negative. Make sure you're getting on the right way. You can see inside of here, there's actually brackets where it says 12 volt. So since they're the same height, I'm still just gonna use a 6 volt. But anyway, let's hook these bad boys up.
Dad, don't say that. I don't listen to me.
We got it clamped in there. All right, Mr. Wyatt, hit the gas pedal. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
That was fast.
Yeah, it was, huh? All right, so there's that.
Now
Let's put the bracket back on. Okay, so what we did is we bought Mountain King 2.2s. And as you can see, it's gonna cover the whole entire tire. So we also have some 3/4 inch self-tapping screws and this. So all we're gonna do is cut these to size, and then we're gonna self-tapping screws into the tire. I don't know what just happened. Okay, here we go. So I got a 26-inch tire. It left about an inch, 3/4 of an inch of gap. Usually I'm a perfectionist, but whatever. So what I did is I just did a bead all the way around, a bead on the inside, and then a couple right down the middle. All right, so let's give it a shot.
Can't see me through my tents, I'm riding real slow, and my paint wet, dripping shadow like my 20 bows. I don't got 20 bows, but I'm on those ropes, that's those big weight walls. Old school like old English in that brown paper bag. I'm rolling in that same whip that my granddad had. Hello.
I guess it does have a weight limit.
Jeez. So that's what it looks like. Oh yeah.
Doesn't need a starter.
Better?
Uh-huh.
Can you say see you later, guys?
See you later, guys.